Welcome to the overview video of the 7Lock credit system. This system allows customers to receive credit from merchants offering goods and services, as well as use subsidies or donor funds. The main advantage of our system is the automation of settlements between the credit organization, or creditor, and the merchants of goods or services. On the left side, I'm showing the programs used by the office administrator, and on the right side, I'm showing the customer's mobile phone screen. The customer onboarding process is extremely simple and does not require installing special software or performing complex actions. The customer receives a message in a messenger, such as WhatsApp, with an invitation to join and apply for credit. As soon as the customer opens the message and wishes to join the program, they immediately receive a request to provide the necessary data. In this example, the credit is issued by the employer. The customer only needs to enter their first name, last name, and employee ID. In some cases, the form may include additional fields, such as a photo of documents or a social security number. After filling in the data and submitting the application, the onboarding process is completed within seconds. The administrator immediately receives the application and can view the user's information. In this case, it's Maxim Johnson. His full name and employee ID are displayed in the system. The administrator can then copy the customer's ID and begin processing the application by changing its status. The customer instantly receives a notification that their application is being reviewed. Let's assume the application is approved, the ID is added to the database, and the customer needs to be provided with credit funds. 7Lock Credit allows issuing credit in several ways, and in this video, we will look at the most popular one, via virtual wallets. To top up the credit account, administrators need to enter the customer's ID and credit the amount. For example, 20,000 credit units. Once the operation is confirmed, the customer receives a notification that the funds have been credited to their account and are ready to be used. Now let's see how a customer can spend the credit funds. One of the simplest and most popular methods is using a QR code. The merchant prints a QR code and places it, for instance, at a gas station pump. The customer scans the code with their phone, opens the link, and proceeds to payment. They select the amount, for example, 2,000 credit units, enter the necessary details, and choose the payment method. The system allows using both credit funds and other traditional payment methods, such as e-money. It's important to note that payments made using traditional methods are instantly transferred directly to the merchant's account. If the customer chooses to pay with credit, the system automatically adds a fee, in our example, 5%. Thus, 2,100 credit units are deducted from their account. The merchant receives a payment notification in the 7Lock CRM program. 7Lock CRM can operate on any tablet or computer and is also optimized for regular phones. Additionally, 7Lock CRM supports integration with cash register systems for automatic receipt closure. After confirming the payment, the product or service can be immediately provided to the customer. Our system can not only automatically deduct funds from the credit wallet, but also transfer them in real time to the merchant at the moment of payment by the customer. However, most often, a settlement scheme is used where the merchant is paid later, for example, the next day or at the end of the month. End of day settlement. Step 1. The administrator reconciles settlements with merchants. Reports are available in the system showing the amount spent on goods or services using credit funds, for example, for fueling vehicles. This information is transferred to the credit organization for further settlement with the merchants, or the administrator transfers the funds from the credit account to the merchant. An option for consolidated automatic fund transfer is also possible. Step 2. Settlement with the customer. Deducting the amount from the salary. To close the customer's debt, the credit balance report must be opened. It shows how many goods or services were paid for with credit funds, the total commission amount, and the current balance. The administrator gets information on the driver and deducts this amount from their salary. Step 3. Settlement with the customer, renewing the customer's credit balance. This is done as previously discussed in the terminal program, step by step. For advanced administrators, we offer an administrative panel that allows batch crediting and debiting operations. I am now in the business panel. Here I can filter, search, and perform bulk operations with clients. For instance, I can issue credit to a group of people. Excel file import operations for a group of customers are also available. This file can be automatically generated in the partner's CRM or ERP system or manually maintained. It's important to note that we also offer our API for free, allowing all steps to be performed completely automatically. With API integration, manual operations are minimized, leaving only controlling functions. Step 4. Settlement with the credit organization. Settlements are made according to the agreed period, for example, once a month. If the funds were automatically transferred to the merchant from the credit account, the partner returns the funds paid to the merchants back to the account. If payments were made by the credit organization, the partner reimburses the credit organization with the agreed commissions and/or interest. We have reviewed the basic use case of the system. You can finish watching the video if you are only interested in the system overview. Now, I would like to describe additional automation options for settlements with merchants. In addition to credit funds in the customer's wallet, the system supports the issuance of coupons. The customer can use the coupon to pay for goods or services. The system automatically generates a coupon that can then be used at the merchant's location. For example, as an administrator, I approve credit for the purchase of goods. I am now switching to the terminal and confirming the receipt of credit for the car wash. The system automatically generates a digital coupon and sends it directly to the buyer's WhatsApp bot. Note that the customer immediately receives a digital coupon right in the messenger. This digital coupon can automatically load a unique code from the list provided by the partner. These codes can be generated in the merchant's accounting system, and for use, the seller simply scans or enters the code at the cash register. Additionally, these codes can even be printed on paper, and the seller, for example in the warehouse, simply crosses out the code upon issuing the goods, marking the date, time, and their signature. We offer a program to redeem such coupons. This program can be installed on any customer's phone. The warehouse worker or seller scans the coupon and uses it. I am now going to launch the program and use the coupon. Scanning the coupon, confirming its use. Note that the system checks the coupon. If it has already been used or expired, the system won't allow it to be reused. It's worth highlighting that we provide the merchant not only with a system for issuing goods for credit, but also with tools for running a business. For example, their own store, which works as an application and also functions directly within a messenger. The business can manage its products, set up delivery and payment systems, and we will embed additional payment mechanisms into the application. For instance, in this example, I issue a coupon to the customer for purchasing a product and allow them to use this coupon directly in the store. I am launching the terminal program. I enter the customer ID and select what I want to credit them with. The customer automatically receives a coupon. This is a special coupon. It must be used when placing an order in the online store. The coupon is sent to the bot. Let's see how the customer uses this coupon. The customer selects order directly in the bot and proceeds to the online store. This store operates as a web application, but it also works directly in the bot. The customer can easily search for and select products. Then they choose their product, adds it to the cart. Now they can select and use the previously issued coupon from their wallet. In this example, the coupon makes the product free. Note that the price has changed to free. The customer selects the delivery method and places the order. Various payment and delivery methods are configured by the merchant in their admin panel. Confirming the order. The administrator and merchant can see the used coupon in the system and reconcile the payments. That's simple to use. I'd like to add that the system allows enabling the option for customers to repay credit funds themselves. This option can be enabled depending on the project. I'd also like to explain in more detail the option for repaying credit, where the customer repays it themselves. This can also be done in the store. Now I'm going to the store, selecting the option Top Up Credit Account. I choose the payment method. Different countries offer different payment methods, including e-money, transfers, and credit cards. For me, Apple Pay is the most convenient, so I make the payment. Let's confirm the operation. The account is automatically topped up. Magic! In conclusion, I'd like to mention projects that may be of the most interest. These are primarily projects for large network merchants, credit projects for employees of large companies, projects for merchants selling to corporate customers, and various automation options for subsidy and donor assistance distribution projects. Feel free to contact us. We will explore this further. Our contacts are on the website 7lock.credit.